3, 2, 1. Oh shit! That looks really nice. Damn. Beautiful cable management. I wonder who did that. That looks good. And the white lights are not a bad touch, even though they're not the same as the RGB, but
No, it's nice to have the white ones on top.
sick. Glad you're able to make use of those little parts. I also really like the RAM. That's a standout for sure. Sweet.
It's very quiet.
It is. I almost didn't even know you turned it on because it wasn't like mine where it's like mine over here. The sick pink, all the stickers. Here, let's see if I can actually get a view of it. Kind of.
We will definitely have to get
Good case choice. Yeah, a new desk. That one's a little wobbly. I barely touch it. It's all cool. Good stuff.